Right, this is question 6. Um, so we have a little bit more parts here, but the first part is the same what we've been doing. First four terms, we find the partial sums. So if we start with 1, um, oh wait, no, so actually, yeah, n equals 0 here. So remember, keep an eye on that. So that changes everything. I was about to say our first s of 1 is just going to be 2/3, but we have 2 times 1/3 to the power of 0, which is just 2 times 1, which is just 2. So remember, always keep an eye on what your n is starting at. So we'll just do it here. So we have 2, and then their next one, we have 2 plus 2 1/3, which is just uh, 2 plus 2/3, which is 8/3. So 8 over 3. Now we have 8 over 3 plus we have 2 this time, so 2 times 1/3 squared, which is just 2/9. So 8/3 plus 2/9 times 3, 324, 20 is 26. So we have 26 over 9. Oh, maybe you don't have enough space for this. So let me get rid of some space here. Yeah, you can always rewind if you need to see the work. And then now we have 26 over 9 plus, now we have 3, so we have 2 times, or cubed, I should say, 1/3 cubed, which is just 1 over 27, which is just 2 over 27, plus 26 over 9. And that simplified is 80. So 3, 60, 18, 80. Yep, over 27. Okay, that is all of part 1 done. Now we need to find the formula for nth partial sum s of n that only depends on n. So the formula for s of n is a times 1 minus r over n, or r to the power of n over 1 minus r, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio. So in this turn, in this series, our a is 2 and our r is 1/3. So we have s of n is equal to 2, 1 minus 1/3 n over 1 minus 1/3, which simplifies with algebra and exponential rules. We'll simplify to 3 minus 1 over 3 to the power of n minus 1, equal to s of n. Okay, so that's part 2. And now part 3, as uh, n approaches infinity for this series, this denominator is going to be so large with infinity here, so that is just going to go to 0. So this is going to cancel out, and our limit is just going to be 3. And since it converges to a number, that means our series does converge. Perfect. And that is all the parts.